What is the use of JDBC? JDBC is used to connect the database from the Java application, right? Java database connectivity. If you want to connect the database from the Java application, please be unmute. I'm getting disturbance. Okay, thank you. If you want to connect a database from the Java application, simply we'll go for if you want to connect a database from the Java application, okay, or Java application from Java application to database, simply we are using JDBC, right? How to connect database? Steps to connect database. This is important. Okay, question also interview for freshers. They may ask the question like steps to connect database from Java application. You should know these steps. What are the steps to connect database? First step, load the driver class and register driver class with driver manager. Second step, get the connection. Once you get the connection, okay, you can perform your own operations. Up to these two steps I covered yesterday, right? Remaining steps today I'm going to discuss. Third one. What is the third one? Create a statement. You may ask what is the meaning of statement. We'll see. Okay. Statement object, statement or prepared statement or callable statement object. Next, fourth step. Okay, write the query and execute that query. That's why here SQL knowledge is required. I want to write one simple insert query. Yes, you can write insert query. Next, fifth step. Okay. Yeah, I read the query, execute the query. Okay. Then process the results. The meaning here is, for example, if you have select a query, select a query, it hit the database and get the data, right? We are getting data in the form of result set. What is the meaning of result set? We will see. Once you got the data in the form of result set, what we can do? We can get the data from the result set, store the data into our domain objects, mean our objects, employee object, customer object, product object. Those objects we are using to display in UI, front end. And finally, okay, close the JDBC related objects. That's it. Okay, these steps you have to remember while dealing with the JDBC program. How to load the driver class and how to register the driver class name with the driver manager. Please concentrate. A very important story. If you want to load the driver class, first what is the driver class? Actually, driver is an interface given by the Sun Microsystem. Driver is an interface given by the Sun Microsystem. JDBC API is an API given by Sun Microsystem. Third-party vendors implements this driver interface. Now we have this driver interface. Different types of third-party vendors implement this driver interface. We have one driver class that is nothing but Oracle driver. This Oracle driver is given by Oracle people. If you install Oracle software, you can see Oracle driver OJDBC 14.jar. OJDBC 14.jar. This is implementation. Implementation for what? Okay. Yeah, implementation for driver interface. So Oracle driver implements driver interface. That's it. Now, how to load the driver class? How to load the driver class? See, what is the driver class here? Oracle driver. Fully qualified class name we have to specify. Oracle driver. Oracle driver. What is the fully qualified class name? Oracle dot driver dot Oracle dot driver JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. The class you should load it. So class dot for name. This is the method to load the. This is the method. This is the method to load. This is the method to load the driver class. That's it. So this step is done. Okay. Load the driver class. Yes, I load the driver class. Register driver class with the driver manager. Really, you have to follow this entire step. Means load the driver and register the driver with the driver manager. Excellent concept. I am going to discuss. Going to discuss now. That is internals of JDBC. Okay, maximum people know how to load the driver class, but they don't know how to register driver manager with the driver with the driver manager. Even faculties are telling, driver okay, internally driver class will take care about how to register driver with the driver manager. Internally, how it will take care, I will show the code. Okay, how to load the driver class? This is a story. Okay, when you just it is used to load the driver class only. Once you load the driver class, automatically some steps will execute internally. Those steps are internally. If you take any driver, Oracle driver, SQL driver, HSQLDB driver, JDBC, ODBC driver, if you take any driver, these steps are okay. Internally they followed. They create object. They create object for what? Oracle driver class object. And this object is registered with the driver manager. This story is fixed. Chetu, you joined 2 times? I saw two names here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, fine.
Actually, I have issue with my laptop actually.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, not an issue. Okay, class dot for name Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. When you load this driver class, what will happen? Some steps will execute internally. Automatically this step will the second part is the right register driver with the driver manager. Automatically will perform that logic, will execute that logic. No need to write logic for this one. Your responsibility is just a line, write this line code. Actually, we have one driver class JDBC, ODBC driver. JDBC, ODBC driver, Oracle driver, both are same, but one is given by Sun Microsystem, other is given by Oracle people. Unfortunately, I don't have the source code here. What I will do, I will try. Even I am trying to attach it. It doesn't show that one. Okay, yeah, fine. So what I will do, I will open code which is available in the Google. Okay, JDBC ODBC driver, JDBC ODBC driver, JDBC ODBC driver. Okay, source code. dailyfreecode.com, we have grepcode.com. We have different types of sites.
Threat has been detected.
I want to see internal code. Yeah. This is a code actually. This is a code given by Sun Microsystem for the driver class. Excellent API. We can see here class, right? The class means this code. Internally, this is a code. According to Core Java, when we load one class, automatically static block will execute, right? You know this statement. If you don't know this statement, you have to see again Core Java. Huh? When you load one class, static block will execute. When static block will execute? When static block will execute in Core Java? Oh, everyone knows about Core Java, right? You should tell the answer. When we load the class, automatically static block will execute. Good. When we load this JDBC, ODBC driver or Oracle driver, automatically this block will execute, right? Yes or no? Please, you have to tell the answer. Yes or no? Yes. When we load the class, automatically this block will execute. When we are loading a class, this block will execute. In this block, what the code? Okay, now this is tracing is not required. Observe this one. Line number 48, highlighted code. JDBC, ODBC driver equal to new JDBC, ODBC driver. This is the creation of object, line number 48. Next, line number 53. Driver manager dot register driver of driver. Driver manager dot register driver of driver. Yeah, pressure somewhat difficult to understand it, but try to understand it. If you understand all these points, you will get clear grip on JDBC. You can play the games with the interviewer in interview. Any question? Okay. Now, see, it create the driver class object, registered driver manager with driver manager dot register driver of driver. When this when this code will execute? Whenever static block execute, that code will execute. When static block will execute? When static block will execute? When you load the class. I load the class. I load the class here. When we load this class, automatically container, JVM execute the static block in the JVM. Okay, when JVM execute the static block, JVM will create object for this driver class. Driver object registered with the driver manager. This is the story behind it. But a lot of people are telling, internally driver class will take care about to load the to create the object to register driver with the driver manager. People are saying like this, but this is not good. Internal means what happened internal? This is a story. So I think this step is done, right? First step. Okay. So load the driver and register driver manager. Sir, instead of writing class.forName, can I write this style of coding while connecting database? Okay, this is alternate for this code is okay. You can use Oracle driver equal to new Oracle driver. Okay. So then driver manager dot register driver of driver. Can you write this style of coding? Yeah. Still valid code. Still we get the connection object. See? Yeah, got the connection. Connection is, yes, you got the connection. T4 connection. But this is not recommended to write this style of coding. Why? Because, see, when you use a new keyword, automatically this class is loaded into the memory. Anyway, it loaded into the memory only. When you load, automatically it create existing code, right? Execute existing code. We are creating one object. JVM will create one more object. That means unless we are creating two objects for the driver class. Two objects are not required. One object is enough. You are registering driver manager. Even internal static block also registering one driver class. That's why people are saying, don't create object like this. Anyway, this code is available. Your responsibility is just load the driver class. That's it. I think really how many people are following this discussion? I don't know. Okay. Are you following this one? If you're not following this internal, okay, blindly remember first step, load the driver class. Yes. Once you got some idea on driver class, listen this video. I will share this video. Okay. Listen this video. Okay. You will get internals. But if you're not getting internals, don't worry. Okay, internals are not required to develop the application, but to get grip on the application, okay, now you should know internals, what will happen. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Any doubt in the first step? First step is done in second step. Yeah, loaded the driver class, we reset the driver manager. Next step is, get the connection. How do you get the connection? Connection equal to driver manager dot get connection. Sir, it expecting what is the database URL, what is the database username and password. That's it. Now, once you got the connection, next step. Next step, what is the next step? Create statement, prepared statement or callable statement. Sir, what is the meaning of statement, prepared statement, callable statement? We will see later. First, I am creating statement object. Okay. Statement equal to connection dot create statement. Statement object. What is the use of statement object? Okay, I clearly showing the code internal documentation of statement. When cursor goes to here, automatically it will show the documentation. The object, the statement object used to execute static SQL statement. Yes, static means don't think like static keyword. That static is core Java static is different. The static SQL statement is different. We'll discuss. Okay, what is the meaning of static here? Okay, so now it is used to execute on static SQL query. One query. This is third step. What is the third step? Step 3. Create statement. Next, step 4.
Sir, is the line 20 is a default one or what? Like, so when it until like connection కావాలనుకుంటే every time to the database it need to have the username and password or?
Yeah. If you need connection with the database username and password is required, right? But this each and every time it hit the database and get the connection object. This is not proper way of writing code, but what is the proper way of writing code? In JDBC, we won't discuss. Okay, in future we'll see framework level we can see. But don't think that how to write proper code. But here it gets the connection only. That's it. This is the story.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, but in real world coding is little bit different. All these connection objects are given by the frameworks only. If you go for Spring, Hibernate, JPA, if you go for any framework, okay, framework people will provide the connection object.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
Step 4. What is the step 4? Write the query and execute the query. So, step 4 is write the query, execute the query, right? What is my target here? Inserting employee record, right? Inserting employee record. See, first example, instead of inserting employee record, what I will do, I will get employee data from the table. Okay, I think already we have employee details in the table. Okay, I want to get employee information from the table. Okay, so SQL plus now SQL plus. Okay, we have system/manager select star from employee underscore info employee table, employee info table. Yeah, we have the number of records: name, number, name, email, mobile. Okay, Ramesh, Purna, Dhirendra. Okay, Sharina, Raju, Rajesh, Vani, Lakshman, Kishore. Like we have a number of students here. Okay. Now I want to select the record. Okay. So if you want to select the record, I am changing my class name to employee select, not insert. Okay, employee select. Finish. Yeah, my class name is employee select. Select an employee. Select employee. What is the query? Can you tell me what is the query? String SQL. But no need define static here. They tell static query, right? No need, that static is different. Static meaning is different here. Don't put like static. Not required. What is the meaning of static? You will see. But dealing with prepared statement, we will discuss about the static keyword. Not now. Static meaning. String SQL. Tell me one simple query to get the data. This is a query, right? Select star from table name. Everyone knows about this query, right? If you don't know this query, I can't do anything. You are not eligible to attend this session. Simple. Even academic level itself, I will learn the select star from some employee or something, right? One small suggestion from my end. If you don't know SQL queries, please try to learn SQL on PLSQL. At least not in depth. Okay, don't look for Oracle apps, apps developer something. At least join some simple concepts, Oracle and SQL and PLSQL. Try to learn it. Next, I wrote the query. I write the query, execute this query. How to execute the query? Using statement object, I am executing query. Statement dot execute query. Execute, okay. Execute query SQL. Then execute query is used to execute the query. What it will return? It will return result set. Result set. So what is the meaning of result set? We have separate session for this one again. We'll play the game with result set. I got the result set. So this table data, table contains 1000 columns of 1000 columns data we are getting in the form of result set. Once you got the result set, what we can do now, we have the API, we have the methods in result set. Now get the data from the result set, display the data into the result set. Okay. For this one, I am using while loop. Sir, why we are using only while loop? That is also we'll discuss. Okay. Now result set dot. Okay. Next method. Next method. What next method will do? Next method. Okay. We'll check next record is available or not. If next record is available, okay, cursor is, yeah, actually result set it maintain internally pointer, a cursor. Okay, now by default, cursor is not pointing to first row, it is pointing to before first row. When you call next record, it is moved to first row. Record is available, it returns true. If it returns true, we can get the data from the table, result set dot. Okay, get okay, int. Why int here? This is an int number type. Okay, that's why int. What we can do, sir, please get number data. Next, okay, result set dot, okay, get string, result set dot, okay, get string. What is the second column? Name. Why I use the string here? Var2 means hello string value, right? Result set dot get string of email. Result set get string of mobile number. Done. Coding is done. Mobile. What this int? What this method will return? Int. Okay. Int number. Then string name, string, okay, email. What this mobile number will return? String mobile number. Done. Now I am printing system.out.println. System.out.println. Okay. So what is the number? Employee ID or number plus number. Okay. So now I am printing what is the name? What is the employee name? Here name. What is the name? See, people are
Sir, mobile number will be integer, right? Sir, mobile number will be integer format, right?
Good. Like
So
actually,
you gave
mobile number either you can use integer or long, but I am taking string. Okay, no problem. We can use we can use integer or long, no problem. Huh? See, even string column allows numbers, right? Yes or no?
yes.
That is the reason I'm using string. Anyway, if you observe this one, okay, we can see only numbers only.
Yes.
But while creating table, I created unfortunately mobile number as a var character. That is the reason I'm taking string. Okay, description about employee underscore info. Yeah, what is mobile number? What is the number here? Number. Remaining 3 columns are var character. That is the reason I'm taking last one as string. Good point. Good finding. Okay, but you know why I'm taking string now, right? Mobile number.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Email. Are you feeling difficult to write this simple Java code? First time if you're listening advanced Java, okay, some people are feeling difficulty. Why? Because this is core Java coding is different from advanced Java coding is different. Core Java we are writing simple hello world, okay, simple main method, simple examples. We are not writing this lengthy programs, right? That's why people are feeling difficulty. But nothing is there. Simple. I'm clearly explaining each and every point. Okay, so now this is nothing but process the results, and finally you can close the JDBC objects. Okay, we'll discuss later about these steps. Even if you're not closing, we are not getting an issue. Yeah. Okay, these steps. This is step number 5. If anybody asking how to connect the database, how to get the result from the database means this is the story. What is the story? What is the first story? First step, load the driver and register the driver with the driver manager. But coding is class for name code. But where is the code to load to register driver with the driver manager? Huh? Internally driver class will take care. Good. Next, get the connection equal to driver manager dot get connection. It expecting URL, username and password. But in the real world, we are not hard coding this value. We are getting this value from the property file. Why property file? Why we are not hard coding? Yeah, we'll get clear picture. If I introduce all the points in single day, next day you won't come. Why? Because Ramesh are discussing different types of things. I am not understanding. Huh? Okay, yeah, I will share Satish. Give me some time. I will talk with you after the session. Okay. Next, we are not loading URL directly like this. We are loading this URL from the property file. But if I discuss again property file now, you may not understand. I don't want to make this applications complex. Simple example: how to connect database, how to get the result. That's it. Okay. Once you learn the subject, writing standard code is nothing. If you don't know the subject, writing standard code is difficult. That's why try to understand this code. Next, I got the connection. Once you got the connection, statement equal to connection or create statement. Okay, that's it. Okay. Can I run it? Yeah, see, I got all the student details. Okay, and also student by student. Okay. Now I want to separate it with line, one dotted line. Observe this output. Yeah, Ramesh 101 Ramesh at gmail.com my mobile number. 102 Purna mobile number. 103 Dhirendra mobile number. 104 Sarina at gmail.com 444. 301 Raju some details. 302 Rajesh some details. 201 Lakshman details. Kishore details. You got it right? But here I am getting data in the form of result set, displaying data in the way console only. But small change in the real world. Instead of displaying data in the console, okay, they are displaying data in the way. They are displaying data in the way browser. If you log in into the Gmail application, okay, once you enter username and password, okay, it will display all emails, right? From where they are getting the emails, assume that they are getting data from that email from the database. We don't know how they implement it, but assume that okay, hit the database and get the result and showing in the UI. Once you log in into the ICICI Bank or your account, okay, bank account, online banking, once you enter username and password, okay, it will show on home page, right? Once you click, account info or something to show balance, okay, now it should get data from the database, right? Why? Because the browser doesn't contain your data. It is available in the somewhere. Okay. Now, based on your account details, account information, it will hit the database and get the balance and all the information, account transactions. Okay. Then those information will be displayed on the browser. But here you don't know the browser, you don't know the UI, you don't know HTML, you don't know how to work with browsers and servlets and JSP, sir. That's why I'm not discussing those style of examples. In future, we'll see those style of examples also. Don't worry, but not now while dealing with JSP. Question from Richa. To practice these programs, so do I need to download SQL database or see? Don't download Oracle database. Okay, it's commercial. I think in Amirpet, I was in Amirpet. I used this one. Okay, even it's not good to use Oracle database. Okay, better to download MySQL. Even I'm also planning for MySQL. Hmm? Because any database no problem, but better to use MySQL or you can use HSQLDB, Hypersonic SQL. But my suggestion is better to go with MySQL. See, working with MySQL, working with any database is a common story. Maybe these two, this one will change, this one will change. That's it. Remaining are common. Remaining steps are common. Okay. Any question here? I think you got the clear picture about first program, right? With the maximum points I explained. So if you go for any JDBC program, this is common story. Next, 10 days I am going to discuss about same, the different types of programs. If you see any program, this is a common story. If you have any questions, let me know. Krish, any question?
No, Ramesh, no question.
Okay. Did you complete your core Java?
Who, me? Yeah, I did actually by myself. I did.
Yeah,
Watch some
really
videos.
strong in core Java. Understanding my sessions are nothing. Simple.
Yeah, it's not so much. I'm my YouTube, Durgasoft videos. Yeah, they're good, very good. They are very in depth.
Your voice is breaking. I am unable to listen. I am not using headphones.
Yeah, it's very in depth videos. From Durgasoft.
Yeah, thank you.
It's easy to understand. It's like very very good. I would say.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Madhu, you are from? Madhu and Satish. Madhusudan. Okay, okay. Are you following? I think today you joined late, right? Pune. Okay. Oh, Satish from Vizag. Okay. Are you joining from Vizag or you joined from US? Okay, cool. No problem. That is the advantage online sessions. No need to come to Hyderabad. Hmm? Uh, okay. No. 4 5 years back, we don't have any online sessions. Only Hyderabad. People are coming to Hyderabad from different states. Okay, they are learning Java. But really, we have online sessions now. Okay, it helps a lot to understand, to learn the subject. And also, what are the concepts you are discussing in AmirPay? Huh? Those number of concepts I am discussing with in detail and real time examples. Okay. Yeah, that's it, man. If you have any questions, let me know. So, if you observe the material, same points I highlighted here. Okay. Now, write a program to connect the database and get employee info. Yeah, this is the story. Okay. So what I am doing, I'm sending this. Okay, through Google this chart window. Okay, you can you can get from there. and try to implement this program. Harita, please take that program from here. But anyway, I will send this program through Google Drive. I will share all the videos. Okay, but right now take copy paste from here. Anyway, I will share. 1 minute.